Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is Tim McKee with Market-Decoder.com. And today is Friday, March 27th, 2026. This is the last day of the week, of course, Friday. So, how do we do? We had a killer week. The gross weekly total for Monday through Friday was 11,360. So, very pleased with that result this week. So, had seven trades today, and these are the trades that I took. First, tried something new here, getting into a trade in the first minute, watching the direction, and caught this sell-off nicely for 89 cents. That started out very nicely. And then a little later, during regular trading, because typically we don't trade the first 5 minutes. We let kind of the craziness go by, but I may be starting earlier now with results like this. But anyway, second trade, got into it right at the end of that initial selling and gave back 42 cents. And then we had a little bit of a swing high and then another nice sell-off, which I took two trades on. First trade was trade three for plus 16, and then trade four for plus 25. As trade four, then trade five was a call trade. I think the only call trade I took today was for plus 73 cents. Real nice trade there. And then trade six was a put, caught, just trying to get in early and catch these reversals and got trade six for 54. Had to wait for it to reverse a little bit before I could get out of that trade. That was trade six. And then finally, trade seven was another little push down here once it got past the zone for plus 27 cents. So basically got into the trades mostly at the right time, except for trade two, which was far too late. And actually, trade three was late as well. Should have been, more up around this area to get into that trade. But, analyzing too long. Got to watch that. So that gave me seven trades for plus 242. 242 times 20 contracts equals 4,840. That's just for today. And as I said, the gross weekly total, that's before fees and taxes and other service fees, is $11,360. So great week. Real pleased with it. And that's going to be it for this week. Now, just a reminder, you can come and trade with me in my live trading room for free for 5 days simply by going to market-decoder.com and signing up. It's real easy. You can come in, check us out, see if it's a good fit for you. So that's it. This is Tim McKee with market-decoder.com, wishing you a great weekend. We'll see you. We'll do it all again on Monday morning. Bye.